From Vintage Makeovers with Melanie. This is Melanie, and we are going to update my fireplace right now in less than 2 hours. All right, so let's get started. This is Vintage Linen by DIY. We're going to give this guy a base coat. It took me 1.5 coats to get full coverage on this tile. I used a really small brush to cut in because, frankly, I don't like to tape stuff off. I used a wet paper towel to clean up where I had missed. If you do that right away, before it has time to set completely, it wipes right up. Okay, so here we go. We are using a subway tile stencil made by Royal Design Studio, and I will put that link in the comments below for you guys. You want to really make sure you're offloading your roller so it's very, very dry. You can see I'm not getting good coverage at all. And that's good because if I was getting good coverage, it would be seeping below my stencil and totally just, yeah, it'd ruin it. All right, now that you have your paint on your stencil, you want to just be really careful. Pull that up nice and crisp. Okay, so I am using the smallest amount of paint. That was like 2 tablespoons. I'm going to go ahead and roll that on, and then I'm going to offload it. Okay, very essential to stenciling correctly. You just don't want too much paint. So here we are positioning our stencil. We're overlapping those subway tiles so that we can get it on there straight. Good thing to do. Yeah, just take your time, overlap it, make sure your lines are straight, and there you go. Stencil has a really good lip on it, so it looks like I'm getting my wall, my paint, my fireplace, but I'm not. This color of gray is letterpress gray made by DIY. If you guys are interested in this color or in the vintage linen or any of these products, please go to windmillvintagedesigns.com. And finally, we are down to the horizontal surface. So much easier, and I was thankful to get there. So this is a gas fireplace. I'm gonna light it up, let it burn for a couple weeks. I don't know, maybe months, and I'll let you know how it holds up. I have no idea how the paint will hold. I don't think I'm gonna seal it. DIY paint will cure by itself within a couple months. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and leave it raw, and we will find out what happens.
Out in stormy weather, I might have the blues, but nothing ever stopped me from dusting off my shoes. You might think you'll see me falling to the ground,